Yeah, what up YouTube, what up? It's Louis here bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be looking at Matic or Polygon. So there's no changes since my last video. We were in this descending triangle, which when I first made my first Polygon video, we were just slightly outside of it. I told you guys that I'm expecting to come back inside, but when we do come back inside, are we going to hold support? Or are we going to fake out again to the downside, to the upside? So we did come back in, and you actually failed to hold support. I did give you a target if we did manage to break out of this resistance. However, we failed to, and I also gave you the bearish target already when we fell out of here. And I said that once we get back in, we could fall out again if we do not hold this level as support. And you see that we did not hold this level as support. And then I gave you a target to the downside, $1.55, which we met exactly for Polygon. So that, I told you, was this previous swing high, and that would be a good entry point. But of course, this is not financial advice. And just before we carry on with this video, I would like you guys to smash the thumbs up button. So thank you for that. And of course, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 400 subscribers potentially by tomorrow. I don't know if that will happen because my end of year target was 500 subs. So of course, if that doesn't happen, no worries guys, but I'm just trying to grow this channel as quick as possible. We've been growing amazing. My watch hours are going up, and yeah, I'm gaining loads of Twitter followers. I think I'm on 260 followers on Twitter now. So please make sure you've followed me on my Twitter, because that is where I'm posting multiple updates during the day. Like, I've already posted 2 updates today on Twitter before I've even made this video, all on Bitcoin. So guys, I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart, because without you guys, I'd be making videos for no one, and I probably wouldn't be making videos at all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm more than happy to show my TA skills with you guys so you guys can learn. So always put the same lines that you see on my charts on your charts. So what is going on with Polygon at the moment? So since I made my last video, I didn't make one yesterday because I only made a few, but literally no changes since then. We're in this ascending triangle, and you've actually got to the top and you've fallen back, and you've held this level as support. So this is actually bullish, guys, because you haven't lost the support of the ascending triangle, which means that it's still you're still in it, you're still coming to the apex, and a decision is going to be made. Of course, this is a bullish pattern, but of course we can fall to the downside, and that is all on Bitcoin, guys. Make sure that you watch my Bitcoin video. I'm going to link it right now in the video, and I'll put the link down below if you don't see the link in the video. So you're still in this ascending triangle, and this is a bullish pattern. I don't know, yeah, this is your target over here at $2. So once we break out of this ascending triangle to the upside, you got about 65% chance of breaking to the upside and like 35 to the downside. But of course, it's all on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to go down, then of course this will come down, and I'd say that you would come down to $1.55, or at least the body down here at $1.61, guys. So that is your bearish target, basically, in and around here to $1.55. That is the bearish case, guys. I'm always going to give you both cases, but yeah, I'll let you know what I think is going to happen. And at the moment, as long as you keep holding support, you should go and attack this resistance, because at the moment, if you can see that we are just above the 20 moving average. You got above it. Let me zoom in. So can you see this purple line? This is the 20 MA. So you got above it over here. You fake back out. When you fake back out, you're actually just retesting this small double bottom, which puts you in a technical target to the upside. Let's just check that target. So yeah, I don't think you met your target yet. You're still in place. So can you see? Oh wow, beautiful. So now we're in a technical target to the top of the ascending triangle, because you've actually broken the resistance of this double bottom, and you could also say ascending triangle, just like this bigger one. You're having a smaller one right now over here. So you've just broken the resistance here. You fell back up below, but you're just retesting the larger ascending triangles support, and you broke back out, and you've held above the 20 moving average, which is bullish, guys, because once you're above the 20 and you can confirm it as support, this means that we're starting an uptrend, because The 20 moving average is literally like a trend line, okay guys? A lot of the time you won't see me using trend lines. If I do, it's to draw out patterns, but most of the time I'm not drawing out trend lines. I use just the moving averages because the 20 is so close to the chart already that if you're below it and you're whacking your head on it as support, as resistance, you're going to fall basically. Just like here, you fell under it, hitting your head, hitting your head, hitting your head, got above it, but you didn't hold it as support, carry on down, hitting your head, get above, hitting your head, boom, down. Now you're above it, you want to confirm it as support. So I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, make sure you smash the like button. Thank you guys very much for your support. And then yeah, we've held above it, but what I don't like about this is that you've not got enough space over here. When I want to see a breakout, can you see how you come down? There's a lot of space over here. That's what we want, guys. So you want something like this where there's lots of space. Having a clear break and then coming back, testing at support before continuing. So that's why it wasn't really that successful, because you got above, yes, but you got rejected from the 55, and this is confirming that you're still in a downtrend, guys. So because you got rejected here, you're in a downtrend. However, when you come down, you came back to the ascending triangle support, and that's pushed you back above the 20, and now you've held it as support. And this is all above that neckline of this double bottom over here. So this is in fact bullish, because as you can see, this is a low, this is a high, high, higher, low. So you're starting an uptrend, and once these two moving averages cross over, that's just like a confirmation statement that you are in an uptrend. But we don't need to wait for a moving average cross, because as we know, these are lagged indicators. You need to be on job, you need to see what others don't see, and you need to be able to spot stuff before the others spot it, okay? That's how you get the best entries. So yeah, I'm seeing that we have started this uptrend, because look, if I just draw out the structure for you, a low, a high. That's not a lower low. Obviously a wick's a lower low, but bodies no. Higher high, higher low. So you had a double bottom here, and then you have a resistance or swing high, and now it's become a swing low. So this is bullish. So what we could see is maybe something like that. Hold that before we go and break this. And once we break that, of course, come back before heading to our target at $2 over here. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. So what is interesting, guys, is that here we had a head and shoulders, but it has not played out, because you had this neckline, and this would have been your target outside the ascending triangle. So wherever you break out, that'll be a target. And you could see, even if you did fall out, you would come back in, because that would still be higher than these lows. So you still have a higher low, basically. Obviously, it'd be lower than these, but I'm looking at the true structure, the larger structure, which this is your low, your next low, your next low, okay? Obviously, here's a higher low, but you're starting the staircase to break this higher, make a higher high. Yeah, and then once you're above that, you're above the EMAs, and then they will form the bullish cross, which just confirms your uptrend. Use it as a confluence rather than relying on it, okay, guys? Perfect. I hope you enjoyed today's Matic update. I will bring out some more videos today as of when I can. And yeah, good luck, guys, with the rest of this bull run. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.